Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do a Wurlitzer First Move. So this is basically a combination of two of the beginner moves, so it's not particularly advanced. I will put links to the Wurlitzer and the First Move in the description in case you need to go back and have a look at them to check any of the technique. But jumping straight in, it looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2. Now, let's break it down. It starts like a standard Wurlitzer. We go back, we flatten the hand, we do the preparation. Unlike normal Wurlitzer, the guy's not balancing up. He's actually going to get out of the way a little bit to the left, and he could even go a little bit long, so there's a little bit more kind of tension away from each other. And that means that when you start the spin, you're also going to be getting the lady to come forward, so it's more like a travelling Wurlitzer. So as we do that return spin, the guy's right hand is going to be coming in to collect the back, so you can be starting to direct the lady. You're going to slide up to the lady's shoulder blade, left shoulder blade. Ladies, of course, as you come around, you want to shrug so that you don't get caught on the fella, which means your arm's going to go over the top. Guys are going to pick up the spare hand, which hopefully is floating where you can get to it. So now we look to be in a position where we could just do a first move, and that's exactly what we're going to do. So guys, we twist out, twist the lady out, standard first move exit, in, turn, face, return and back. Let's do it from the other side so you get the other view, but also talk numbers. So we go back 1, flat 2, preparation 3, spin 4, collect 5, twist out 6, in 7, turning 8, facing 1, returning 2 and back 3. It's possible to take out the count for the collect, so you can just power straight through, but certainly when you're learning, I'd recommend keeping it in. So here we go, let's try it together. 5, 6, a Wurlitzer first move. We go a back, flat, prep, spin, collect, twist, twist, turn, face, return and back. And as I say, once you get a bit of practice, the collection count can disappear. Do like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Liking promotes the move, subscribing promotes the channel. Big thank you to everyone who does that. And the notifications will mean you get told every time a new video comes out if it's on in your settings. Music recommendation on the end, something nice to practice to. As always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.